everyone, and welcome back! It's your neighborhood cheetah, Chee Chee, and today we're going to the bank! And today we're gonna talk about overdrafts. An overdraft is when you take money out of your account and you do not have enough money in your bank account. You should never, ever overdraft your account. When you overdraft your account, you receive a fee for taking too much money out.
What?
The more money that you take out of your bank account when you do not have the money, the more fees that you receive.
Oh my God!
The best way to never overdraft is to 1. Always keep money in your checking and savings account. Never let your bank account go to 0. 2. Only use what money you need. When you use too much money out of your account, the money disappears faster than you can think. Always buy necessary things first. Food, gas, before you spend on leisure activities and use all of your money. 3. You want to be very cautious of how you spend your money. Monitor your account on your online banking. Online banking is your bank account, but on the internet, you can see all your activity. Get your mom and dad to help you set your online banking up on your computer. Now that we know the basics of an overdraft, let's go to the bank and check our bank account. Hi there, Leo.
Hey there, Chee Chee. Welcome back to the bank.
Leo is one of my best friends.
What can I do for you?
I want to check my bank account.
Let's see. What's your account number?
13579.
Thank you. All right, Chee Chee. Let's see. Oh no!
What happened?
It looks like your account is negative.
What?
Oh my God!
You only had $5 in your account, and then you bought some toys for $20. That placed your account negative $15. And then the bank charged you an extra $30.
What?
Now you owe $45 to the bank. Oh no, it's Mr. Overdraft.
Oh no.
Hello, kiddies. I'm Mr. Overdraft, and I'm here to take all of your money. When you do not watch your account, money comes out of it. You have to be vigilant about your money. Protect it, or I'm going to take it.
No, no, no. How do we fix this?
You need to deposit money into your account right away.
I'm going to deposit $100.
Now your bank account is not negative. No more overdraft.
Yeah!
No, no, no! I want your money!
Yahoo!
Remember, when you take more money out of your bank account than you have, then you overdraft your account.
Oh no!
And receive bank fees.
I never want to go through this again. I will always keep money in my account. Thank you, Animal Bank. Work hard, save your money, and most of all, do not be reckless with your money. Only use what you need. Without money in your bank account, you can't do all the things that you want to do. You can't buy toys, you can't buy games, and most of all, you can't buy coconuts.
And if you don't have any money in your account, you're going to see me, Mr. Overdraft. Ah!
Ay, tú sabes, mami. Ja, vamos para allá, vamos para allá. No quiero más problemas, quiero más